My GE oven says unlock and won't turn on even though the door is open after self-clean. I even unplugged it, says unlock door.
Hello, I'm Larry and I will use all my training and knowledge of 40 years to help you with your problem today. Thanks. Open the door, press and hold the door switch, set the oven to self-clean and turn on. Once the latch comes out the locks, then cancel the clean cycle. Once the latch draws back and then turn loose of the door switch and it should be fine.
When you say press and hold door switch, what do you mean?
The button on the edge that the door press when it closes.
No luck still, says unlock door.
May I have the model number?
JB640SP1SSKW 8.8 IT heats up when we tried that last.
Sorry, but my internet went down. You are going to have to replace the door lock assembly part number WB14T10053, which cost about $60, and you can get it at a local appliance parts dealer near you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.